Kaso nga lang, kasi dual ako. So, I have lahat ng mga dual passport holders. Ang dapat napuntahan is yung foreign. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is 26 December guys, and we just finished our just like holidays because today is also holiday. And time check, it is 4:41 and I am preparing all my things. I'm packing my luggage guys because I'm going to the Philippines tomorrow early in the morning. Yes, I'm going just for 12 days, yes, including my today's travel. So I will be in the Philippines just for 10 days. I will be just with my family for just 10 days guys, just like it's like business meeting, something like that, or like a business trip. So yeah, because my mission is to go and see my mom and the rest of the family, of course, and to celebrate with them the new year. And yes, with the whole family. And I didn't celebrate Christmas and New Year for many years already guys. OMG. So I missed the season's holiday in the Philippines. And yeah, and at the same time, I'm so sorry for my family here that I have to leave them on these very special days. Hello, the day has come. My husband is bringing me to the bus station. Good morning. Today is 27th December 2022 and the day has come. I have to go to the Philippines to visit my family. Yes, and it is so late. I mean,
not so early.
It's still early. It's 7:26 in the morning, but it is so dark, everyone, and it is so foggy. Here guys, and I'm here at the airport. Hello everyone, so I am now at the airport and waiting for our plane guys to board. Alright guys, so boarding. I'm waiting. I'm going inside the airplane now. Landing to Doha, everyone, and I have to change plane.
Apa, sandali ah. 0912.
Oh! Hello guys, good morning. Time check guys, it is now 3:20 early in the morning of 29th December guys, and we just arrived here in Vegan because I have to do something here in Vegan, and then I will meet my mom and the rest of the family guys. They will come here in Vegan as well. We will do something together here, like family bonding. Yes guys, so as in guys, na hindi ako gaano nakapag-vlog sa guys, sa biyahe ko. So ang parang nagawa ko lang is mga clips ganun lang guys, kasi para kasi siyang hindi interesting. At saka itong bag ko kasi as in kasi na punong-puno guys. So, it's not comfortable to take out the camera. Ganun, guys. So, hindi ako gaano nakapag-vlog on my way. Yes. So, yun nga. Super haba, guys, ng biyahe ko. So, it took me 2 days. Umalis ako doon sa amin ng 8, guys. Doon sa amin. 8. Tapos, pumunta ako ng Barcelona at 10 in the morning nandoon na ako sa Barcelona. Tapos guys, pumunta ako sa airport, and then we boarded guys, and then the flight started 3:15 in the afternoon, and then we reached Doha, Qatar before 11 guys. Yes, so imagine from 3:15 to 11 na guys. How many hours, no? Yeah, so almost 8 hours guys yung biyahe. 8 hours guys. Parang 6 hours lang kasi yung may time difference kasi na 2 hours. Kaya yun. So in total is 6 yata. 6 hours guys yung biyahe. Yeah. Tapos, yun nga, I waited. Tapos nag-board ulit ako. Tapos yung flight namin is started 2:05 guys at dawn. So can you imagine? Tapos dumating na kami dito sa Clark Airport mga 3 na guys ng hapon. Imagine how many hours, no? Grabe, no? How many hours? So tapos noon, ang dami nilang mga, tapos guys, kulang yung mga staff doon sa airport. Sa foreign passports, bale 2 lang. Tapos ang daming mga foreigners. Tapos, syempre, ang dami din mga Pilipino. Kaso nga lang, iba yung lane ng mga Pilipino. Tapos automatic na, yung machine na lang talaga ang nagre-read sa kanilang mga passport. Kaso nga lang, kasi dual ako. So, I have, lahat ng mga dual passport holders, ang dapat napuntahan is yung foreign. So, doon ako pumunta, guys. Tapos, yun nga, 2 lang yung naka-assign doon sa foreign. Tapos, ang daming mga tao. So, as in, doon ako natagalan. After that, palabas na nga kami, in-x-ray pa nila yung mga gamit. Pagkatapos nun, kinuha namin yung mga luggages. Tapos, nag-declare ulit kami guys kung ano-ano yung mga dala namin. Kung worth ba yun ng 10,000, 50,000, mga ganun ba. Oh my God. Kaya as in na pila everywhere. Kaya naririnig ko kanina, sabi ng mga tao na baka sa mga ganitong ng patakaran ng airport or dito sa Pilipinas, baka mahihirapan silang makatanggap ng mga turista na bibisita daw sa atin. Yun ang narinig ko sa mga tao na nasa likuran ko guys. So ayun nga, yun, nakalabas na ako. So nakita ko ng ate ko, and then after that nakita ko din si Sis Viv. Nag-meet kami ni Sis Viv in person. Yes, Sis Viv passport. So, ayun guys. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Jollibee. Doon kami nag-dinner ng ate ko, and then we took the bus coming here. So, can you imagine, that is very long, many hours guys. So, ayun, kakain na kami. Anong oras na ba? It is 3:26 now, guys. Early in the morning or at dawn. Tapos doon naman sa Spain, it is 8:25, guys, ng gabi. So, ayun. After namin kumain, matulog ako kasi nga yun yung time namin na matulog doon sa Spain. So, hopefully makatulog ako, guys, kasi hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti sa airplane, tapos doon din sa bus. Yeah. So, yes, guys, see you again later. Yan yung travel experience ko from Barcelona to here. So, I will update you more tomorrow kung ano yung mga dapat kong, yung mga ganap namin. Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Hello, guys. We are here in Vegan. Bebe. Pag naam, sis?
Susod dyan eh. Yung side na, bigay yung taglala ko kandila. Ito pagtutok ka lang dyan.
Niebe. Anem, ay let's go. Wow. Nya mo bra dyan Ray long. Ha? Baka handa ka kaya nag-video up siguro. Sis. Huh? So guys, we are here in Vegan. Yes. Okay, okay. My family. Wow. Nakalakmod. Di ka di?
Kaya pasoktan ah. Kaya po katanan na. Ano nga di?
Yes. Kat.
Ako pa tita.
Ang kumabay lang meron niya. Okay guys, so this is the heritage. Nang meron? Heritage. Kalesa.
Buwan tamo magampi kalesa. Picturean lagi.
Thank you, Kuya. Okay. Let's go then, kapatid. Okay.
Hindi ada, nag-brush na natali nakakabalik. Ninanang kumamot. Nya.
So these shops are all artisan.
Hindi na, kaya nagugutom na kami. Kasi sabi ko kanina,